Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to access a project in Thrively that will help kind of get you started with the strength assessments with some of the different opportunities that you have here in Thrively. So let me just take you through. This is your dashboard. What you'll notice is that you have either Canyon Springs or Caldwell Senior High School. You guys won't have the switch back and forth as teachers, but you'll be assigned to the school that you're at. A couple things you'll see here is my class, and under each one of these classrooms you will notice that you've got your students already rostered, so they're already ready to go in. They just have to use their Google Gmail option. I'll show you that in a second. But also notice here under projects, you have the ability to jump into a project as a learner. It's called Know Me, so again, projects over here, Know Me. And then what you're going to do is click Start Project, or it might say Continue Project, but for the most part it'll say Start Project. And you'll jump in and you will notice that you have a number of different, these are the learning objectives for this course. Under Know Me, so you can click on each of these tabs, you'll be able to access a video, and then there's a task. What are you most excited about in your journey to implement Thrively? So you can press this plus button, and it helps you to post a response. What's nice about that is that it tags it with the activity that you are posting in so that your colleagues can see what you've posted, have conversations with you, give you feedback. There's also Getting Started, kind of telling you how to get started with the student strength assessment, and also some other activities. We've got some resources in here. We'll talk a little bit about the Well-Being Index, how to use insights to make decisions based on the data that we're collecting, journals and feedback, how to use this feature in Thrively. All these are videos that ask you to kind of ponder certain things. Explore. Certainly when we look to finding a lesson, we'll be choosing from some of the lessons here and trying to look for creating our own playlists that are specific to our content area. So in a lot of these, you'll have an activity, you'll have something that you're going to be doing, and then a task to kind of upload. Again, you'll be able to give feedback to your colleagues. Notice that we're in a team here where we've got a number of you in this team because you're part of the same school. So if you have any questions, again, please reach out to Jeanette at Thrively.com. That's JEANETTE at Thrively.com. There's a number of other things here that you can see as well. Whoops, let me come back. Sorry about that. There's a number of other things you can see here, which is like looking at playlists and finding playlists that might be aligned to your needs, like CTE. You can type that in and you can go ahead and see it might be in our playlist library. Yes. Thriving CTE, so you'll notice we've got a lot of pathways in here. So before we meet on Tuesday, I encourage you to go ahead and look at the goals, the playlists, and the lessons that are involved here. Certainly the pathways. These are pathways that connect to career opportunities. We've got our insights feature down here and our projects tool. So take some time to look at that, and I will be in touch with you with an invite for Tuesday, and we can come together to share what we've learned, share what we're still questioning, and move us forward. So I'm looking forward to seeing you all. Thanks. Bye.